Top cars in India, Maruti Swift. Maruti Swift is arguably the most popular car as far as hatchbacks go in India. The company has constantly been updating the car with new features. The lowest priced petrol variant of Swift, which is LXi, comes for about 4.58 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi, and the most extensive model in diesel is ZDI at 6.95 lakhs ex-showroom. Swift is available in 6 different models. It is available in 6 different colors: metallic blue, metallic black, metallic grey, metallic white, metallic red and metallic silver. The company claims that the car gives a mileage of 15.2 km per litre in city and 18.6 on highway as far as the petrol variant goes. As far as the diesel variant goes, the mileage goes up to 18.1 km per litre for city and 22.9 km for highway. Its fuel tank capacity is 42 litres and it has a seating capacity of 5. It has power windows, adjustable steering column, door ajar warning and child safety locks.